My name is Ashma Bhagat. I've been having some problem the last 2 years with my knees off and on. But about 6, 7 months ago, one of the knees started giving a lot of trouble. So that is when I then started looking around for a surgeon who I would like to go to. Dr. Maria's name kept cropping up, and so I checked out on it and I decided to go with him.
So Ms. Bhagat has been a patient with me for some time. She was suffering from wear and tear in both the joints. In this case, we chose to sequentially do these 6 months apart. Recently, we did the other side, and now she finds a great difference because after the first one, she was happy. After the second surgery, she feels balanced, equality in her legs, no pain on either side, and a total change in her lifestyle, life pattern, quality of life, and visiting friends and relatives socially.
So I'm well on my way to recovery. Right now, it's been 3 weeks and I'm already walking with a walker. I would like to take the opportunity to thank Dr. Maria and his team, who were also very helpful and very responsive. And not to forget the hospital and the hospital staff. They were very, very helpful. Thanks a lot.